Alright you guys, welcome back. For today's video we're going to be making stuffed bell peppers. Here's some of the ingredients. I have some ground turkey here, or you can use ground beef, or you can use ground chicken, it's up to you. Also I have some minced garlic, beef broth, tomato paste, rice, you can use the rice of your choice. I have 4 bell peppers here, they're on the larger side. Also I have some Worcestershire sauce. I have some chopped onions, both green and white. This is some brown sugar and some shredded cheese. Let's get started. Alright you guys, you want to start by opening up your can of tomato paste here. Okay. Alright you guys, we're going to start off by adding in our base. For that we're going to need our tomato paste and our brown sugar. I have my son here helping me. Go ahead son and pour that in that bowl for me. Good job. Alright you guys, I have here our tomato paste, brown sugar, and I added just a little tiny bit of ketchup here just to give it a little bit more of a liquidy feel, and then we're going to mix it all together. Mix that together here. Alright, I have my son here helping me mix it. Go ahead, good job. Good job. Alright you guys, so since these are larger bell peppers, I'm going to cut them in half down the middle, and then you got to clean out the seeds. I'm going to use a spoon and just get all those seeds out. Stay tuned. Alright, I have our rice going guys. Now for the meat, I have the ground turkey here on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add our seasonings to this. Guys, you want to start mixing in that meat, and then once the meat starts to brown a little, you want to go ahead and start adding in your onions, and then we'll add a little of the Worcestershire sauce as well. You guys have added in all of our seasonings with a hit of actual celery salt, oregano, basil, and you can use Italian seasoning as well. That's just if you're like me and you like plenty of seasonings. Alright you guys, now I'm going to add a little minced garlic to this. Alright guys, next you want to add your beef and your Worcestershire sauce. Here's the beef broth. I'm going to add just a little of that to the meat. Give it that extra flavor there. Add a little of this Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so you're going to bring that to high heat and I'll show you guys the next step. Here's our bell peppers in a pan. At the very bottom of it, I do want to add a little beef broth to this. And if you want, you can add a little of the tomato paste as well to the bottom. That's just so basically you know, give it flavor at the bottom also so it doesn't stick too much. Alright, next you guys, I'm going to go ahead and add these 3 ingredients all in the bowl here with the sauce you see me make earlier with the tomato paste and brown sugar. And that's going to be our stuffing. Stay tuned. Now we're going to mix everything together guys. Alright, so I'm going to take the mixture you guys and put it in each bell pepper, and then we're going to sprinkle the top with cheese. Alright you guys, I went ahead and filled each one of these as you can see. Now I'm going to sprinkle it off with some cheese. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start sprinkling the cheese at the top of this. My son's helping me. Go ahead. Just like so on each one. Good job. There you go. Good job. You guys, now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven on 350, give or take for about 30 or probably about 20 minutes or so, because it really depends on your oven. Alright you guys, and they are done. You can plate them how you wish, and they will be completely delicious and ready to go.